Namaskar to all. This is Chef Gagandeep Humpal. I am going to share very simple, very nutritious recipe with you. This is a smoothie recipe, and smoothie name is mango, almond and banana smoothie. This smoothie is very nutritious, full of energy, and it has fiber also. A perfect dish to start your day with. So let's start. For this recipe, add 1 bowl of mangoes, 1 banana, 1 tablespoon of oats, few almonds and honey, that is optional. First add little milk just to make a smooth paste. If you will add the whole milk at once, the smooth paste will not be smooth. Now add the remaining milk and blend again. This will give you a smooth smoothie. So the smoothie is ready. Pour into a glass. Garnish with few chopped mangoes and some sliced almonds. The tasty and quick mango, almond and banana smoothie is ready. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another recipe. Till then, goodbye.